Good morning, students of class 10th. Today we will take the revision of Nelson Mandela. Welcome you all. In this video, I am telling you summary in English, A Long to Freedom by Nelson Mandela is all about the struggle of freedom of South Africa on May 10, 1994. Nelson Mandela has taken the vow as the first black president of South Africa, and therefore it was becoming a newborn democratic country. Nelson Mandela took the oath as the first black president. Many dignitaries from different countries had come to be part of the most significant day. In his speech, Mandela thanked all those dignitaries. Mandela assured his countrymen that his country would never ever experience the same suppression of one by another. Democracy had been established in South Africa, and as a result, a government the people of South Africa sang two national anthems as a symbol of that day. Mandela recalled that the reason for this movement was that black-skinned people were exploited by the white people. He said that this type of suppression of people of South Africa is the origin of many stars. People must learn to hate first, because if they hate, then they can be taught to love, as love comes from the opposite circumstances. He also says that a brave man is not that who doesn't feel afraid but who conquers it. In life, a man has two major obligations. First, towards his family, and second is to his wife. First, toward his family, to his parent, to his wife, to his children, and second, on the other hand, obligation towards his country, people, and the community. Everyone fulfills his duty as per his inclination and interest, but it was very tough to fulfill in a country like South Africa. When Mandela became an adult, then he understood that his freedom was only an illusion. In fact, he was the slave of exploitation. He also understood that not only he was a slave, but his other family members were also. According to him, freedom is also mandatory for them who were suppressing others in the past. They also have the right to have it, because its nature of others' freedom is a prisoner of the same. Thus, the oppressor is as much a prisoner as the oppressed. The oppressor too is not free. Now, at last, I want to say, long walk to freedom. The brave man is not the one who does not feel afraid, but he is the one who conquers that fear. Mandela said that every man has his duties towards his country and the community also. Thank you.